Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove text from videos in CapCut PC. So for this example, I'm just going to use like this area to cover this. For instance, this is the text that I want to cover. Go to mask and select rectangle and select the area, like a different area here. Maybe not too close, like probably here. Make it a little bit bigger, go back to basic, and you're just going to cover the part you want to cover. Go back to mask and feather it out, but not too much, maybe like 3, like at max. You can also like add blur to it if you'd like to. But that's pretty much it really. It's not the best way, but it does do the job. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.